received a letter from Alberta the other day about a homeowner wanting to make his home really secure. He had the security company over that had put all the security as far as sensors on the door and the windows, but nothing will really stop that. Because once you've done that, they reach in, turn the deadbolt, and they gain entry. So let's install some security. The solution can be as simple as this: a piece of plastic film specially designed to put on the glass to give it that security. Comes in 4 mil and 7 mil thickness, depending on the width of the glass, or the height of the glass will depend on the weight of the plastic is used. Some people will actually take the glass out of the frame, take it down to the glazing store and have them install it. Then all you have to do is pick it up, bring it home, install it back in behind the stops, and there you have it, a secure side light on your front door entry. Some people will buy the film, bring it home, put it up against the glass, measure it, trim it, and then very simply cleaning the glass, applying a thin film of water over the entire surface of the glass, and putting the film into it and wiping it and squeegeeing it off, giving you a nice clear visual through to the outside. Now, the way it dries on the glass is the residual of the water curing on the inside retains the vinyl right to the surface of the glass, and after 48 hours, it's secure. Now, let's show you the effects of security film. Now that we've had Nuco install their safety security film, look what happens. The glass won't come out of the frame. You can't reach in through to unlock that deadbolt, so therefore you can't intrude the home. Well, there you are, safe and sound in Alberta. If you got glass in the door, you can secure it as well.